Hey everyone, if Excalidraw is not saving your drawings, changes keep disappearing, autosave isn't working, or you receive save errors, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the most common Excalidraw save problems in 2026. Another common fix is refreshing the page and trying to save again. Temporary glitches can occasionally interrupt save operations. If you're saving files locally, verify that you have permission to write files to the selected folder. File permission issues can prevent Excalidraw from creating or updating drawings. You should also check your available storage space. Low disk space can stop save operations from completing successfully. Another helpful step is manually exporting your drawing as a backup. Save a copy in Excalidraw, PNG, SVG, or another supported format before performing additional troubleshooting. If autosave is not working, review the application's save settings and confirm that autosave features are enabled if available. And that's how to fix Excalidraw save not working problems in 2026. In most cases, checking permissions, verifying storage space, clearing cache, and resolving synchronization conflicts will solve the issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.